In this video, you'll learn how to archive all your emails in Gmail at once in just a few minutes, so you can clean up your inbox without losing any important messages. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Google account and make sure you're using the desktop version, since this method works best on a computer rather than the mobile app. Next, click on the search bar at the top of your inbox. Type in inbox and hit enter. This will display every email currently sitting in your inbox, ready to be archived in one quick action. Now, click the small checkbox at the top left to select every email on the page. Then look for the message that says, "Select all conversations that match this search," and click it to include every single email in your inbox. After that, click the archive icon at the top of your inbox. It looks like a small box with a downward arrow. Gmail will instantly move all your selected emails out of your inbox and into your archive folder. Once it's done, your inbox will be completely empty, but don't worry, none of your emails are deleted. You can find them anytime by searching or by clicking the All Mail label on the left sidebar. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is now perfectly clean, organized, and ready for a fresh start without losing any of your important emails.